Learning becomes more meaningful when it connects people across culture. Good day, everyone. Think about a classroom kind of like, where students from different countries can learn together even with all the differences, like language, culture, time zones, and sometimes access to technology. This is the idea we are bringing forward, the globally connected classroom. We plan to use Zoom Workplace for our video meetings with live caption on so people can follow along. For collaboration, we'll rely on Google Docs and then Gemini AI for translating conversation and also learning materials when needed. In practice, these tools cut down language barriers and they make working together feel more natural. To make sure that everyone still has a real chance to join, teachers will share recorded sessions, keep deadlines flexible, offer low data learning materials, and provide things that are easier to access, like captions and documents that work with screen readers. Some school may also help learners who have limited devices or unstable internet so nobody gets stuck just because of circumstances. This proposal also supports respect, inclusion, and global citizenship by helping students notice and value different cultures, identities, and ways of seeing the world, while they communicate responsibly, of course. Sure, there might be challenges such as unstable internet, time zone gaps, and even small cultural misunderstandings. But guess what? Teachers can handle that with flexibility, clear guidance, and teaching approaches that includes everyone from the start. Overall, the globally connected classroom shows something simple. Technology is not just about connecting people. It's all about creating fair opportunities for each learner to take part, collaborate, and actually succeed. Together, we can create a learning environment that values diversity and collaboration and equal opportunities for all. That's all, and thank you for listening.